Welcome to the Cavendish at 1200 South Arlington Ridge Road, Arlington, Virginia. Offered at only $299,000, you're about to see the most amazing condo. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, but to describe it just that way just doesn't do it justice at all. This condo is on the 5th floor of this Arlington landmark. It is completely flooded with natural light and expansive views, if you like that whole window sky thing. It may be a 1-bedroom, but it's the largest bedroom I've ever seen, ever. This incredibly large bedroom sports an enormous walk-in closet and even more windows. You can easily fit a huge bed or anything else you want in this bedroom. No need to sacrifice any of your favorite pieces or put anything in storage. Speaking of storage, this place has 2 other gigantic closets to keep everything tucked away and organized. You get a legit full bathroom, which means an actual tub, floor space, wall space, a normal sink, and this cool double-sided mirror in the cabinet that I just loved. I feel very confident in claiming this to be the nicest living space in any condo in DC. You have room for a living room, breakfast area, and or stools at your island, and a dining room if that's your thing. The kitchen offers you ample storage in its enormous pantry and multiple cabinets. You get a ton of counter space with the island, and there's also plenty of room to add more if you want to get a rolling island or a cabinet of some sort. The entryway is generous, giving you plenty of room to unload your bags and coats, as well as wipe yours and your pupper's feet when arriving back home. The laundry room is 2 floors below you, so you never have to hear any noise from your neighbors doing laundry. Not that I've ever heard any noise in this building really at all anyways. It truly is a peaceful place to live. The laundry room is also just a few steps away from the elevator in a well-lit hallway. It has a ton of machines and it is always clean. The entire building is maintained impeccably, so you can enjoy a clean and safe home no matter where you are in your secure building at any time of day or night. The swimming pool is literally steps away from the back door. You get convenient and reliable assigned parking, as well as ample street parking for your guests, and I've never had a problem finding a spot. I am truly in love with this amazing condo and would honestly buy it myself if I were in the market for a condo right now. Now let me repeat, this is the deal of a lifetime because you get all of this and only down the street from all of your needs. I am talking shopping, art stops, the Metro, 66, 395, the Key Bridge, Rosslyn, Georgetown, Courthouse, Ballston, just a couple minutes walk to Army-Navy Country Club, and so much more. This would be so perfect if you work in DC but want to stay living in Virginia. You get all of this for only $299,000, guys. Contact me today so I can help you make it yours before someone else grabs this opportunity. This is the universe giving you a sign.